VPNs are considered powerful tools, providing a vast array of protocols, servers, and encryption to allow unfettered yet reliable access for professionals, gamers, and power users alike. This makes them an ever-increasing topic of discussion between gamers on messaging apps and chat groups that can deliver a sizable advantage in certain situations. GadInsider has compiled a lineup of the best 5 VPN options available to its audience and handpicking some of the best options for gaming. NordVPN. NordVPN is said to be the most well-known VPN service provider on the scene, with mid-range pricing and plenty of servers and accompanying software solutions that let it entrench itself as a viable competitor. It uses its NordLynx protocol based on WireGuard and claims to provide faster connectivity across the board for gamers and streamers alike, while providing a host of privacy-centric protections. WTF Fast. WTF Fast gives per-game and per-receiver optimizations that its competition lacks and attempts to optimize routes for gaming specifically, providing a one-button solution for users who might otherwise have to toy with a variety of VPN offerings to get the job done. ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is one of the most established VPN service providers in the business. It also uses its considerably large server offerings to deliver a fast, reliable VPN connection to bandwidth-hungry users. ExpressVPN utilizes its own lightweight protocol to get the task done, letting lower latency, greater privacy, and a more custom, regularly updated take on what a VPN should be. Surfshark. Surfshark is the more recent VPN player in the market, launched in 2018, but already has a robust series of applications and aggressive pricing, as it seems to be taking a larger chunk of a burgeoning VPN market, which includes gamers. Surfshark provides 3,200 servers across 100 unique server regions and offers a considerably cheaper annualized choice than its peers. Proton VPN. For users looking for a free VPN option for gaming, the Proton VPN is considered the right option, allowing for limited connectivity that is both location and bandwidth limited, but does otherwise offer a stable experience for users looking to minimize cost. Proton VPN, despite these restrictions, does let users have full access to their applications, including some pro-grade specs.